Welcome to MURA FC. This is the perfect way to measure a t-shirt. Yeah, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Click on the notification bell so anytime I post a video, you'll be notified that I post a new video. So when you're measuring a t-shirt, you need the neck measurement. It's very important because if you get the neck measurement wrong, you might sew it and the neck will be very big, or the neck can be very small. So you need the neck measurement. Is very important, and you need a shoulder measurement. You make sure you measure from one peak shoulder to another peak shoulder. You measure the shoulder very well, because if you get the shoulder wrong as well, the clothes will be very tight, the person won't fit inward. So from that peak, you measure the sleeve. Don't measure the sleeve like that, measure it like this. Let the person burn it. You measure the armhole to get the perfect sleeve. You need this measurement. It's very important you get all these three measurements that I'm measuring now. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. It is what it is, MURA FC. The cap also is very important. You need it measurement. So you're gonna measure the shoulder. You put your tape measure around it. You make sure you check the back. It's very important. Get the measurement of the back. Make sure that it has been fitted well. You can see. Yeah, there is the perfect way to measure a t-shirt. So we go to the tummy or the stomach. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. This is MURA FC. It is what it is. And we need a hip. You need a hip measurement as well. And lastly, you need the length of your t-shirt. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking it. Thank you for watching. I will appreciate your time. Please keep on watching.